Good morning, guys. It is a great day to be in room 625. It is. Today will be Thursday, and we are going to continue working on dividing. Yesterday, you should have completed an assignment over dividing fractions. Today, we will be working on dividing mixed numbers. We did talk about this a little bit before we left for e-learning. We did talk about it on Tuesday, but I want to give you guys a couple of review problems on how to do this. And don't forget, you can also watch the review problems on YouTube that I posted on Canvas, as well as the notes I posted on Canvas. So here we have our first problem is 1 2/3 divided by 2 1/5. And our steps are over there. It says, number one, if numbers are mixed, convert to improper. So the first thing we have to do is convert both of these to improper fractions. We do that by multiplying the denominator by the whole number and adding that to the numerator for both of these. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So we'll convert this to 5 over, and my denominator stays the same, so 5 over 3. Divided by 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so 11 over 5. Step 2 says flip the second fraction. In other words, we multiply by the reciprocal, and that's the song we sang. If you want to divide, look on the right side, flip that fraction over, and then multiply. So we're going to look at the right side and flip this fraction over. So I'll have 5 over 3 times 5 over 11. Step 3 says check to see if you can cross cancel. So we're going to look at, do 5 and 11 have any common factors? They don't. Do 3 and 5 have any common factors? They don't. So I can't cross cancel. Step 4, we multiply across. So 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 11 is 33. Step 4, if it's improper, tip it over and divide. It's not improper, this is a proper fraction. The bottom number is larger than the top number. Our denominator is larger than the numerator. And it can't be simplified. Step 6, so this would be the answer to number 1. 1 2/3, when you divide by 2 1/5, you get 25 33rds. Let's look at our next example. We have 4 2/3 divided by 3 1/5. Once again, let's go back to our steps. If numbers are mixed, convert to improper. So I'm going to need to multiply the denominator by the whole number and add that to my numerator on both of these. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So I have 14 over 3, divided by 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 16 over 5. Now we know if we want to divide, look on the right side, flip that fraction over, and then multiply. So I'm going to flip this right fraction and change it to multiplication. So I have 14 thirds times 5 16ths. Time to check to see if we can cross cancel. So we're going to look diagonally. Do 3 and 5 have any common factors? Nothing besides 1, so we can't cross cancel there. 14 and 16 do.
Sellers, if you're in the building, please call 3120.
So that's cool. 14 and 16 do have a common factor of 2, so I can divide those both by 2. 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 16 8 times. Now it's time for me to multiply across. 7 times 5 is 35. 3 times 8 is 24. Next step says if improper, tip over and divide. This is improper because our numerator is larger than our denominator. So I need to tip this over. 24 goes into 35 one time. 1 times 24 is 24. I subtract, I get 11. Draw my half circle. And that leaves me with an answer of 1 and 11 24. So I cannot simplify that. So once again, you have 2 examples there. You also have some additional teachers below on Canvas teaching you how to do this as well. Look over my notes. I've posted on Canvas. Besides that, make sure you do your work. Make sure you show your work. Make sure you do your best on your work. Make sure you turn it in before the class period's over. If that's not possible, turn it in before 8 o'clock so you can at least get some partial credit. Good luck on this and do your best. I miss you guys. Can't wait to see you again. Have a great day.